Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee stronger. The easiest way to achieve a bolder cup is by simply adding more coffee grounds to your brew. For a standard 8-ounce cup, try using an extra half to 1 full tablespoon of grounds. This increases the coffee-to-water ratio, extracting more flavor and caffeine. It's a straightforward adjustment that yields noticeable results without changing your brewing method. Another effective technique is to adjust your coffee's grind size. A finer grind means more surface area is exposed to the hot water during brewing. This allows for a more efficient extraction of compounds, resulting in a stronger, more intense flavor. Be careful not to go too fine, as it can lead to over-extraction and bitterness. Aim for a consistency similar to table salt for optimal results. Optimizing your brew time and water temperature can also significantly impact coffee strength. Allowing the coffee to steep for an extra 30 to 60 seconds can extract more from the grounds. Additionally, ensure your water is between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range is ideal for dissolving coffee solids, leading to a richer and stronger beverage. Finally, the type of coffee you choose plays a big role. Opt for darker roasted beans, as they naturally offer a more pronounced and robust flavor. You might also consider blends that include Robusta beans. Robusta coffee typically contains about 2 times more caffeine than Arabica, giving you a much stronger kick. Experiment with different roasts and blends to find your perfect strong cup.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.